This is a simple screen, the creation of which was demonstrated in the freeform tutorial. Let's extend it now to add a rule requiring that the 5-year rate of EPS growth be greater than 20%. I'll click on the Add Freeform button, put my cursor into the space, and type a rule. I'm going to click on Totals to verify accuracy, and we see there's a problem. The problem is that this is not the correct way to specify the 5-year EPS growth rate. How do we do it? Well, the first thing let's do is delete this. Now I'm going to click on the Reference tab. I can open it by clicking here, or I can click on this plus sign. Once it's open, I can close it by clicking on the minus sign. So let's open it up again. Very often you can find what you're looking for by browsing. EPS growth sounds like it should be a stock factor, so I'm going to click on that. I look in the categories, I see growth rates. I look at the factors and functions that are under growth rates. I don't see EPS 5-year, but if I scroll down, now I see it. So I'm going to put my cursor into the blank row. I'll double click here and finish the rule. Now notice I said greater than 20 and not greater than 0.20. How do I know that this is correct? The simple definition tells me so. This tells me that any number I put into this rule is going to be read as a percentage. So 20 is being read as 20%. If you need more information on a particular factor, you can click on this link where it's available. Let's click on Totals to test it, and we see that the rule now works. Let's add another rule addressed to long-term debt. I could browse for it, but I want to demonstrate a different way to find a rule. I'm going to click here and type debt in the search box, and right away I start to see the debt factors. That's not the one I'm looking for. I'll scroll forward, and this is the one I'd like to use. Long-term debt to capital for the latest quarter. First, let me put in another freeform rule. I put my cursor into this area. I double click on the rule, and I'm going to make it less than 0.5. Click on Totals to test it, and we see that this is correct. And this concludes the tutorial for the reference area.